Number 1, make a personal style statement. Get your creative juices flowing and design the cupboards as you want them, reflecting your personality, taste, and sense of style in the heart of your home. Number 2, buy nice or buy twice. Save money, time, and energy with premium heirloom quality cabinets and design that will be twice as nice and endure more than twice as long. Number 3, professional layout and functionality. Optimize your space to fit your lifestyle and space and enable you to achieve your dreams. Number 4, generational masterpiece. Become the owner of a beautiful, inviting space that will beckon family and friends together for years to come. To learn more about custom kitchen cabinets, visit our website ngraincabinets.com.